Hello dear students, today we discuss projections of points part 2. Okay, some questions will be like this: a point is on the horizontal plane, or a point is on the VP, a point is on the both the planes. Okay, so when the point is on the HP or the point is on the VP, so the question they may give like this. So a point P is a point P is 20 mm behind VP and is on HP. Okay, so a point P is 20 mm behind VP and is on HP is given. So on HP or on VP, first of all remember one thing: on HP or on VP, in HP or in VP, then the point will be on reference line. Simply. Okay, first of all, which quadrant we have to take? So you can take here behind VP is given. Behind VP means it may be, so draw a plus symbol and you are observing from right. When you are observing from behind VP means behind y-axis, so it may be the second quadrant or third quadrant. You can take second quadrant or third quadrant, no problem. Okay, you can take second quadrant or third quadrant. So I am taking second quadrant. If you take second quadrant, both the planes will be above the reference line. So this is the reference line. Now here 20 mm behind VP. So 20 mm behind VP means you have to take in the horizontal plane. I told you, if the dimension is related to VP, you have to take in HP. So here both the planes above the reference line, so automatically the 20 mm will be above the reference line. Take exactly 20 mm above the reference line and highlight the point at 20. So here the dimension line also you have to show the dimension here, that is 20. Okay, and the point will be on the reference line, the other point will be on the reference line. Now which point we have to give dash? I told you in the question related to HP we have to give dash. Related to HP means it is on HP, so it is on HP means this is related to VP, so we have to give dash to this point. So this will be P dash, this will be P. I am telling you again, the related dimension to the HP we have to indicate with dash. This is the front view. Related to HP dimension is the front view, and we have to indicate dash to the horizontal plane. And the questions you can do if the point is on HP or VP. Now the second example, a point Q is 20 mm above HP or below HP, whatever it may be the dimension, above HP and is on VP. So first of all, a point Q is 20 mm above HP. Above HP means above the x-axis. Above the x-axis means it may be the first quadrant, it may be the second quadrant. Any quadrant you can take. I am taking the first quadrant. If you take the first quadrant, take the reference line first. In the first quadrant we are rotating horizontal plane clockwise. When you are rotating x-axis clockwise, horizontal plane will be below, vertical plane will be above, and the related dimension, HP related dimension, we have to take in VP. I told this thing clearly in the introduction class, first part. Right. So 20 mm related to HP, so take this 20 mm related to HP means you have to take in VP, you have to draw in VP. So take 20 mm above and indicate with the HP related dimension is the front view. HP related dimension here, HP is the top view. Actually HP is the top view, but related dimension, HP related dimension you have to take in VP, that is the front view. This is the front view, so we have to indicate with the dash. This is Q dash, and it is on VP means nothing but on HP or on VP reference line. So it is, we have to indicate with the Q. So like this when the point is on HP or when the point is on VP, we have to take on the reference line. And the last example, which is the third one, is a point S is on both planes or both HP and VP. When the point is on both the planes, simply see here, when the point is on both the planes, you take the quadrant system. When it is possible, when this condition is possible, both the planes, it is on both the planes means it should be on the center, then only it is possible this point will be on the both the planes. So here you can take the first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant, any quadrant you can take. So I am taking the first quadrant. If you take the first quadrant, above the reference line vertical plane, below the reference line horizontal plane. Okay, now if the point is on both the planes, then take simply the point on the XY line. There is no above HP, there is no below or behind VP, there is no dimension. If there is no dimension, it is on the both the planes, then directly you have to take the point is on the reference line and indicate with the vertical plane. You have to indicate with the dash here. So in the vertical plane, you have to indicate with the dash. In the vertical plane, we have indicated with the dash like that. So here you have to indicate with the dash, that is S dash, and HP you have to indicate with the S. So this is the way we will indicate generally when the point is on HP or on VP or on the both the planes. Okay.